So I just want to share another patient's experience with reverse shoulder replacement. Becky is 79 years old, and she had a reverse shoulder replacement on her right shoulder approximately 3 months at the time of this video, and she's done tremendous. Now, it's important I say that that doesn't mean that that would be your experience if you had a reverse shoulder replacement, but I think the value of these videos is that they give you an anecdote, something to hold on to know what is possible, because she had a great result. She had a rotator cuff tear and it wasn't fixable. That often is the case in older patients. And the reason for that is the quality of the tissues as we age, it deteriorates. So just like we get gray hair and wrinkles, that same process of aging is occurring inside of our body as well, including our tendons. And this is why we see tendon tears more commonly as we get older. All right. And so when we have those tears and we try to fix them in older patients, we may be even able to get that tendon affixed back down to the bone, but it may yet fail because it just rips through the sutures, kind of like wet tissue paper. And so we're limited by the quality of the tissues that we have. For years, we didn't have a good solution for these irreparable rotator cuff tears, but over the last 25 years, we've been able to perfect the reverse shoulder replacement, and it's been an incredible boon for people who otherwise were just painful, disabled, and really didn't have a lot of good options. So clearly, we're always going to start with physical therapy, with injections, with anti-inflammatories, with conservative management that are designed to try to minimize symptoms and, if possible, avoid surgery. And we did do that in Becky's case, and she failed. So she had a great result. I'm going to let her share her experiences both before surgery, during the recovery, and now at 3 months. Hopefully this helps you. Thanks.
My surgery was on January the 10th of 24, and it was my right shoulder. We did a reverse replacement. Extreme pain. My problem was I could use my arm, and I still had strength. So it took a while to diagnose what was actually wrong. No cartilage in the shoulder and worn out rotators. The surgery, I don't remember because I was asleep. But I had no pain following the surgery, and I've had very little pain except for in rehab since then.